Hello everyone out there in YouTube. My name's Matt and I am the founder of hostmatic.io. We are demystifying guest behavior through web analytics. So what does that mean? Well, that means we're going to go deep into web analytics and try to help people understand where their traffic is coming from and how their campaigns, either organic or paid, and even paid advertisement, is working in regard to how it's driving guests to book their Airbnb, short-term rental, or hotel, and ultimately, how they got there, what they did when they were there. So we're trying to demystify all of that behavior. So I wanted to throw up this video just to introduce myself. Right now it's a blog as we're working on our software, and we're going to just write some articles and try to interact with people and try to gather some data from hosts and what people are currently doing to market and advertise, and how we can really help them further with their ideas. So I'm not going to say anything about the software or the services that we're going to be offering here. But as far as my background goes, by the way, this video series is also to basically bring everyone out there with me along for the journey. And why would anyone want to do that? Well, first of all, it's on YouTube. But second, and most importantly, is I'm coming from an entrepreneurial background. I've been working for myself for 10 years. I was in the telecommunications industry. It's a very segmented, very niche market, and not very interesting. So one of the things that I learned throughout the course of having that business is, of course, that as an entrepreneur, you have to do your own marketing, your own advertising, and of course sales and accounting and all the things that go along with whatever your business entails, which is basically everything and more. So one thing I realized is that I really like advertising and marketing, and that was always really what I enjoyed doing, other than the IT side, which of course my background is IT. I'm saying of course, but no one actually knows that. So I just really enjoy advertising and marketing, and my lovely girlfriend has a business doing custom websites and marketing for hotel short-term rental Airbnbs, and I was helping her and her business. And it's the pandemic, so like a lot of people, I wanted to bring some of my ideas to fruition, and I wanted to do something with YouTube as well. So it's all about the journey of not only the startup aspect of Hostmatic, but also the company itself, and I hope that it's something great. So what I'm planning to do is talk about not only analytics and marketing on some aspects of how to drive traffic to your listings and get more bookings, but also just on the day-to-day sort of setup of the business. I really want to bring people through the journey from, let's say, even logo inception all the way up to the product release, and then hopefully continue up from there. That'd be fantastic. So this is unscripted, this is unshaved, and it's just going to be, I think, really just a great ride. So that said, not only will we be sort of talking about web analytics and driving traffic, but using some softwares, what I use to run my company, from things like CRMs to where I get my hosting and domains, how to approach technical projects if you're a non-technical person. There's a whole load of things that I'd like to come out with. So I'm just excited to get the first video up, and if you're interested in web analytics pertaining to how to drive more bookings to your Airbnb or from your website related to short-term rental, please visit hostmatic.io, where you'll find our blog, and we've got some great articles out there, just starting that out. And join the waiting list if you're interested in upcoming software that's going to help you really with insights into that traffic, and it's really going to be simple to use and really just try to demystify the whole analytics side of what's happening with traffic. So whether you're just starting a business during this crazy pandemic, or you're a host trying to get more traffic to your Airbnb or your short-term rental, please join me on this journey. Thank you so much for joining me. I wish you really great success with whatever project you're working on, and I'll see you soon.